All right, what's up, family? This is Donovan Green from Donovan Green Fitness. Today, we're going to work on your thighs, your arms, your shoulders, your back, everything. We're going to work total body. You're going to need to have your band, your thigh bands or booty bands, Donovan Green Fitness preferably, because these would allow you to move much better than the ones you buy on Amazon. Also, you need to have some dumbbells and a sturdy chair. You can still do this standing up if you want to stand. I'm going to sit down because I'm always thinking about people who have those knee issues, hip problems, and things that kind of stop them from working out. So let's get this party started. Let's get ready to burn some calories, all right? The first move that we are going to do, we're going to do a quick little warm-up. So let's move the dumbbells out the way. We're going to do a march it in place. I'm going to count from 1 to 60, and we're going to move the arms and legs. Ready? We're going 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, chest up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. That's right. Next move, I'm going to bring the feet together. We're going to go down and up and hands on the waist, okay? 60 count. Chest is up, stomach tight. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. 9, 10. 1. If you can't touch the floor, 2. Go only as far as you can. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Burning calories. 8. Remember that. Come on. 9, 10. 1. Looking good. 2, 3. Squeeze the inner thighs. 4. When you bring those knees together. 5, 6, 7. Activate those thighs. Come on. 8, 9, 30. We halfway in. 1. Stay strong. 2, 3. Breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. I know. 1. I'm with you though. 2, 3, 4. Work for your results. 5. Come on. 6. Scoot to the edge of that chair. 7. Do not sit all the way back. 8, 9, 50. 10 more. 1, 2, 3. Stomach tight. 4, 5, 6, 7. Big inhale. 8. Big exhale. 9. One more. And 10. That's what I'm talking about. We're doing high volume. High volume equals more calorie burn, okay? So grab your dumbbells. We're going to go to arm curls, 60 count. We're going to work through this to tempo, meaning we're going to go pretty fast. Here is the number here, and that's the exercise. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't give up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. Keep on breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull those abs in. 8, 9, 10. I'm watching you. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think that's 40. 1. I don't know. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feel the burn. 9, 10. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We're going to do 10 more. 2, 1. 10 more. 1 just in case. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Shake it off a little bit. You can put the weights down. Whew. Catch your breather. We are working, and that's why we are here, okay? Now, the weights are going to come down here in between the legs. I'm going to lift the weight up in the front. One arm up, bring it down. Other arm up, bring it down, all right? 60 count. Chest is up, stomach tight. We're going to go in 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep your stomach tight. 8, chest is up. 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Come on. 1, 2. Don't trust me to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. That's right. Rest it down. 60 reps, baby. 60 reps. Oh boy. I felt every second of that, and that's how I want to feel. Now we're going to work the back of those arms. We're going to grab the weights, lean forward, extend back, come back. And remember, the movement is happening only from your elbow, okay? That's it. Ready? Lean forward, scoot to the edge of that chair, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, come on. 3, squeeze the back of those arms. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. There you go. 1, 2. You got your flow. 3. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. Right. You want to feel every single thing working on the back of those arms, okay? We're toning, we're building strength, stamina, endurance, all of the above, all right? You're doing fantastic. Catch a breather. We're not done. So now I'm coming here under the legs. I want to lift up and down, okay? 60 count. Everything so far is 60 count. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, keep your wrist straight. 3, 4, do not bend your wrists. 5, don't do this. 6, okay? Straighten the wrists out. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, lift those arms up. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, put a smile on your face when it burns. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 more. 1, you can do this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, woo, 3, come on, 4, come on, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. Woo, let's keep it moving. Grab those thigh bands. Let's put a little bit of burn to the outer thigh. We're not gonna work a whole lot with these bands, but we're using them, okay? Grab your bands, put them up right here by the thigh, right above the knee, okay? Move the dumbbells out the way. We're gonna open and close, all right? Both legs together. Get ready. You can hold onto the chair. You can say a prayer. Whatever you got to do, you do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't give up. Come on. 5. Come on. 6, 7. Let it work. 8, 9, 10. Come on. 1, 2, 3. That burns. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ow. You felt it all right here. If you felt everything here, then you know you hit the muscles that you're supposed to be hitting. We're going to go again. This time, the feet stay still, and you're going to open and close, okay? We're going to double pulse for 1. Time under tension. We're going to keep it going here, 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 here. That burned already just with me demonstrating that. All right, get ready. We're going 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 10. 20. 30. Keep the tension in the muscles. 40. 50. 60. Come on, give you 10 more. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that burns. Great job. Anytime you do that, you want to keep the tension on the muscle. Don't find the easy point. Go to the hard point and keep the tension out there. That's time under tension. We're still not done with the outer thighs. We're going to talk a little bit so the muscles can relax a little. And we're going to do 30 on the right side, 30 on the left side, okay? Leg is going to come out. Left leg stays steady. Right leg's open and closes, all right? Here we go. Get ready. Chest is up. Confidence up. Feel motivated. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. This leg stays still, okay? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. There you go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm holding this leg. 9 to keep this leg steady. 1, 2. Come on. 3, 4, 5. If it gets too hard. 6. Assist it. 7, 8. Don't be afraid. 9, 10. Just don't stop. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4. Keep it going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh. When I tell you that thing burns, I'm talking about it burns, okay? I'm feeling every single ounce of that burn. Don't think because I'm a coach, I'm not feeling it. I'm feeling every part. Now, I can't even talk. Knees are up, okay? We're gonna bring those knees up and down like we did in the beginning. First move that we did, we're gonna move the same way. Only this time we got the bands, okay? Ready? We're gonna count to 60 or maybe 100, who knows? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Now I want you to keep the knees separated so you can feel the tension in those legs. Don't have your knees like this, okay? We don't want that. We want them out. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4, 5. March it. 6. Assistant. 7, 8, 9, 50. 10 more. 1, 2. I'm going to keep it at 60. 4, 5, 6. There you go. 7. Stomach tight. 8. Come on. 9, 60. That's what I'm talking about. Put this down. That's what I want to see. Work. Work, 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 work. Woo, that felt good. Those muscles are saying, wow, I don't think I like you too much. All right, last exercise. You're doing phenomenal. We're going to come out to the side, lift up, out, and come down, okay? Out and down. Out to the top, down to the bottom, or down to the side. All right, chest is up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. My elbows are slightly bent. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, hang with me. 2, 3. I'm going to give you a rest time, okay? 5, 6, never. 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to rest after the workout. 2, I want you to push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, come on, get strong. 3, get strong. 4, 5, don't give up on me. 6, 7, push. 8, 9, 10 more. 1, 2, embrace the burn. 3, 4, 5, 6, oh man, 7, that hurts. 8, but in a good way. 9, 10, oh yes. Woo. Wow, great work. Give me the stretch right here. Wow, if you don't have the bands, order the bands. Go on the website, Donovan Green Fitness, and order the bands, okay? I promise you, it's a big difference when you get them. And switch other side. Great work. Remember, you got to push, push, push. You don't need to be working out for an hour or not even 45 minutes. It's in and out, in and out, in and out. Legs out, bring it down. Drop the chin to your chest. If you cannot touch the ground, it's okay. Touch where you can, okay? Drop the chin. Relax the body. Train throughout the day. Mix up your workouts. Stay consistent, burning those calories, all right? There you go, and relax. All right, great work. Listen, we will be continuously working out. Keep on leaving those comments. Let me know how you're doing. Keep on building on your body, because what I tell you, your body's just a body until you make it a temple, okay? So remember that. The body is just a body until you make it a temple. All right, I'll see you on the next workout.